How to send Discord profile link to others. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today in this I'm gonna show you the ways to send Discord profile link to others. In order to do it, then what you have to do is, first of all, open up your Discord application and then log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, go to your profile at the bottom of the page, and next thing you want to do is click on the gear icon from the top right. Here you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit and look for advanced option. Click on that and make sure that the developer mode is toggled on or turned on. After you've actually done it, so now go ahead and open up the Discord application or the server, whichever, and then you could go ahead and type in one. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in a text. If you type in a chat on the following server, then at the bottom you can find your profile. You just go ahead and press that, and when you do that, click the three dot icon and you could find your profile link, which you can share it with others. So this way you could go ahead and send Discord profile link. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.